Let's begin with easy questions. Which organelle is a site of ATP production in eukaryotic cells? Golgi apparatus, mitochondrion, ribosome, lysosome. Your time starts now. The answer is mitochondrion that carries out oxidative phosphorylation, producing most ATP in a eukaryotic cell. Question number 2. What structures are missing in an animal cell that are present in a plant cell? These are the options. The answer is D. Cell wall chloroplast and large central vacuole, also plasmodesmata and plastids in plant cell. This is your scorecard. You can watch our short content-rich videos before attempting this quiz, or let's move to the next question. What's the primary function of ribosomes? Lipid synthesis, DNA replication, protein synthesis, energy storage. Answer is C. Protein synthesis. Ribosomes translate mRNA into polypeptides, making proteins essential for cellular function. Question number 4. Which membrane component provides fluidity and stability to the plasma membrane? Cellulose, cholesterol, peptidoglycan, glycogen. The answer is cholesterol. It intercalates between phospholipids, stabilizing and regulating membrane fluidity. Which organelle modifies, sorts, and packages proteins for secretion? Options are endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus, Golgi apparatus, vacuole. The answer is Golgi apparatus that modifies proteins through glycosylation, sorts them, and packages them into vesicles. Now moving to the next level, medial level. In plant cells, the large central vacuole primarily functions to. These are the options. The answer is both A and B. Vacuoles are involved in maintaining temperature, pressure, and also involved in digestion, as lysosomes are absent in plant cells. Which structure controls movement of substances into and out of the nucleus? And these are the options. The answer is nuclear pore complex, which regulates selective transport of RNAs and proteins across the nuclear envelope. Question number 8. Which cytoskeletal element is most important for muscle contraction and cell motility? Intermediate filaments, microtubules, actin filaments, collagen fibers. The answer is actin filaments that interacts with myosin form for contraction and drive motility structures. Question number 9. Which process describes movement of water across a selectively permeable membrane? Options are diffusion, active transport, osmosis, endocytosis. The answer is osmosis, the passive movement of water from the region of low concentration to the region of high solute concentration. Question number 10. Chloroplast and mitochondria share which of the following features? These are the options. The answer is C. Both organelles are double membrane with circular DNA, which is an evidence of endosymbiotic origin. Now the hard level, question number 11. Which protein complex in the inner mitochondrial membrane is directly responsible for pumping protons to generate the PMF? These are the options. The answer is NADH dehydrogenase complex 1, oxidizes NADH and pumps protons, initiating the proton gradient for ATP synthesis. Question number 12. During plasmolysis in plant cells, which of the following changes occurs? These are the options. The answer is plasma membrane pulls away from the cell in hypertonic solution, detaching from the cell wall. Question number 13. Which mechanism best explains how integral membrane proteins are targeted and inserted into the ER membrane? These are the options. The answer is C. SRP directs ribosome nascent chain to ER Sex61 translocon, inserts proteins during translation. Question number 14. Which statement about the plant plasmodesmata is correct? These are the options. The answer is C. Plasmodesmata have a central ER-derived desmotubule. Unlike cap junctions, they are structurally distinct. And final question, which regulatory mechanism controls the entry of proteins into the nucleus? These are the options. The answer is B. Importance binds proteins with NLS and mediate active transport through nuclear pore complex. Hope you are benefited from this quiz. Comment your score below. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexcells4u.com.